Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, I'm Fatih Asmira binti A. Azman with metric number 2019475956 from Group BA243-4A. Greeting to Madam Afsan Noor binti Talib as a lecturer for subject UBM 599. Today, I will be presenting a digital crowdsourcing platform including crowdsourcing, registration, payments, bid and contest, project awarded, income earned, star rating and SWOT analysis. What is crowdsourcing? Crowdsourcing is a newly developed term that refers to outsourcing activities by a firm to an online community or crowd in the form of an open call. Any member of the crowd can then complete and assign tasks and be paid for their efforts. There are many digital crowdsourcing, but I only choose 5 platforms, which is Freelancer, Truelancer, Workana, Upwork, and Guru as top freelance website to find work. The first step is registration in the crowdsourcing platform. The first platform is Freelancer. I signed up as a freelancer that require me to fill out a short registration form by providing detailed information including skills, educational background, and work experience. The second platform is Truelancer. I go to truelancer.com and sign up by entering my name, email, and password, then check the CAPTCHA box. The third platform is Workana. The registration process for Workana is simple and free of charge, and it's only take 10 minutes to sign up. The fourth platform is Upwork. To get started as a freelancer with Upwork, I begin by creating a profile, ensure it includes details about myself, expertise, and work experience. Keep in mind that client will decide whether I'm qualified by scanning through my profile whenever I bid for a project or pitch a project. The last platform is Guru.com. I start by signing up and building a freelancer profile. The system will give job recommendation based on my skill set and work experience. After I sign up on this freelance website, automatically I get a free basic membership. Next is registration in the online payments gateway PayPal. I select the payment method, which is PayPal, by signing up on its website that ensures the clients will pay my service into my account. To verify my payments, I need to link my Maybank account with fees charged by the freelancer. Moving on, summary of bidding and contests. This shows that I have bid on 19 projects while 34 contests that I joined. The total bidding and contests are 53. I have awarded and completed 2 projects in the digital crowdsourcing platform, which is a freelancer. The project awarded have been completed and delivered to employers within employers' requirements and timeline. The first project titled Project for Fatty A that client hire me directly. The project details are to do master Excel with specification in designing frames for non-routine maintenance dataset. I completed it in 3 hours and submit to client in Microsoft Excel format through the chat box. The second project titled GIF for coronavirus precaution. The clients want to highlight important point, which is social distancing, hand hygiene, and face mask. I keep update to my client regarding the progress of the task. After the third submission as the final last, I deliver the work through the chat box. A client very satisfied and pay for my service. Next is a summary of income earned. I have paid by 2 clients. The first income is $10 by milestone payment released by clients. The second income amount $10.91 by sent through client's PayPal to my PayPal account due to freelancer restriction to release the payment. In addition, star rating. I have get star rating from clients for joining contests and reviews from projects awarded. Here is the star rating summary earned by me, which is 1 star gift by 4 clients, 3 star gift by 3 clients, and 5 star for project review. The 1 star rating given by client from India in my 3 contest entry that require logo for Instagram page as corrupt currency. Another 1-star rating given by client from Malaysia who need cafe logo in food and beverage. The name should be Cafe Bonda with 3 colors as theme. I'm also get 3 star for 2 contest entry given by client from Australia who need a new business name for her pottery class. Besides that, a client from India gave me 3 star for a contest that I joined, which is the design company name as Kaizen Technologies. The most high rating is 5 star given by client from Malaysia for project awarded for me to do frame for non-routine maintenance dataset that he provide. In the freelancer platform, I have faced a few things that can be shown in SWOT analysis. What is SWOT analysis? SWOT analysis is acronym for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. SWOT also assesses internal and external factors as well as current and future potential. My strengths are health skill in Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Excel. It able to me doing the job that needs skill in data entry, writing, and presentation slide. Second, bid on a trusted project. Most project and contests that I bid on at least fulfill 3 verifications in their profile. Third, complete tasks within a short time. Fourth, I'm expert in designing by using Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Power Director. My weaknesses are: first, have no experience in digital crowdsourcing platform. Second, afraid to accept a job from a client who hire me directly. Third, I have limited skill to meet client satisfaction. The opportunities are joining a lot of contests can improve design and creativity. Second, it's flexible of time and place to complete the task. Third, the student can earn pocket money or side income. The threats are need to compete with expert freelancer and my friend in bidding on the same projects or contests. Second, higher cost to paid membership plans that include more tools to make profiles stand out. Third, scammer among clients. In sum, digital crowdsourcing gives clients access to a potentially massive amount of labor outside of the firm which can complete necessary tasks, often in a fraction of the time and at the fraction of the cost than if the same activity were conducted in-house. But some type of work crowdsourcing will not be effective. For example, a limited ability to use the methodology where the information to be gathered or project being worked on is secretive. That's all from me. Thank you.